Welcome to UVR's instructional video on creating your own free virtual tour. Now before we get started, please try to reduce your picture sizes so that it will be faster for you to upload and fits in better with your tour. The ideal size is 300 dpi in height and 400 dpi width. You can include 180 degree or 360 degree panoramic images, but do remember that images should still be 300 dpi in height for best results and faster upload. In addition to uploading 180 degree or 360 degree images, UVR allows you to upload 360 degree spherical high definition imagery as well. Now let's start creating our tour. Once we've logged into our account, you'll see all we have to do is type into the blank fields. And once we've put in the tour name and the subtitle, we'll have to put in some meta tag words to allow the search engines to be able to view and rank our tour. A maximum of 6 meta words are plenty. We'll then select our country and city. Now if the city is not present, we can add a city just by simply clicking here and typing in the name of the city under the country name. We click on Add City and click on OK, and you'll see that the city is now available for us to select. Now we can add a sign if we want. This isn't mandatory, only the ones with asterisks are mandatory. Now we must ensure that we always have the tour inactive or no one will be able to see it on the front end. Let's go to the next step. Now again, we'll just follow the easy instructions and start off by selecting our category. Then we'll add our logo. This will help brand the tour. We just simply navigate to the location of our logo, and once we've found it, we'll click on Submit. That loads up the logo. Now we have 3 choices for interactive maps. First, we can use the Google Maps. Here all we have to do is move the map and zoom in to the location that we want. So let's move this map around a little bit and zoom in a little bit closer. There we go. Now once we're happy with the location, we just have to click on Submit. We can upload our own map or floor plan by navigating to where our site plan is. We click on Open and then click on Submit. And you'll notice that the green active button is now highlighted. We can also create a map with a built-in plan creator. The simple to use drawing tools and type tools allows us to create a simple and professional looking map. Now I get to show you how easy it is to add a hotspot. Here's the site map I uploaded, and it happens to be an oblique picture of the property. I'm moving it around to find a place to add my first hotspot. I'll click on Add Hotspot and a pair of crosshairs appear for me to precisely place my hotspot on the map, and then I just type in the name of this hotspot. There, and press OK. I can upload 4 different types of hotspots, and here I'll only use still pictures. I'll select the maximum number of 4 still pictures for this hotspot and browse to where my pictures are to select and upload them. Now once I've uploaded all 4 of the pictures, let me just choose my last picture. There. Now once I've uploaded all 4 of them, I'll click on Submit, and the pictures will now be loaded up onto the tour. Now I'll click on Next to take me to the last step of creating my own tour. Once again, I'll just fill in the empty fields. Add the hotspot description. I'll browse and find my PDF file to upload and give it a name as well once I've uploaded it. So this is, let's call it a fact sheet, as that's what it is. And that way their users will know what they're actually clicking on and selecting. Now let's add an audio file. Please remember that they are MP3 files. And let's add an email for people to click on. I'll also add a website link. I won't have to put in the HTTP if I don't want to, as the software does that. And I'll name it. That way there people know what they're actually selecting and clicking on again. And then all I have to do is click upload and my tour is completed.
Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to keep adding more hotspots. Let's select Add Edit Map Hotspots. That'll again bring up the map that we want to add a hotspot to. Let's move it around a bit. And look, there's the other hotspot we just added. Now here we can edit the hotspot, delete the hotspot, and even move the hotspot if we choose. Let's add a hotspot and let's place it on this side of the pool. Now again, let's type in the name of what we want to call the hotspot, add the hotspot description. Let's add a picture. This time, why don't we add a panoramic image? You can see there's tooltips here as well to help us along. Now, and click on panoramic pool, which is a 180-degree picture. So we'll need to select 180 for the action of the picture, the way the software handles it. Then we'll click on upload, and there we have it. Hotspot added successfully. Now let me show you how to add a picture hotspot to another picture hotspot so you can have a feeling of a walkthrough. So we'll select Add Hotspot. Let's see, for the hotspot title, let's call this one Reception. Type in the hotspot description. Now we'll just add one picture. There we go. Browse, find Reception. Click on Open, Submit. And we'll click on Upload Update. This hotspot, there we go. Hotspot added successfully again. This time we'll go home and we'll now click on Add Picture Hotspot. Now all we have to do is click on Reception, and there's the picture we've just uploaded. We'll do the same as we did on the map. We'll click on Add Hotspot, crosshairs appear, we'll select exactly where we want to click it, and there we go. Let's link it back to the rooms. So we'll type in rooms, paste in the text that we've used previously, and I can choose rooms again here, and that will link me back to the hotspot that I've already uploaded with rooms on it. Click, there we go. Picture hotspot added successfully. We now have the hotspot linking back to the rooms, and now let's link the rooms back to the reception. So let's move this picture here to, there's a door there that we can link to. Let's click on Add Hotspot. There we go. We'll put it on the door. And let's link that back to reception. So we'll just retype reception in there. Paste in the text that we've already used. Select the map hotspot to link to. Click on Upload Update this hotspot. And there we go. Now, you can view the tour. Just let's go log off. And we can go and view the tour now.